Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on this mark on know how you can do that on your eBay app. All you have to do, just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and all you have to do, just go down here, then you come here to advertising and related preferences, and you come to next window here. So you just switch into open video, and so you will go down here, go down, and we come here to create a personalized content profile. We will just switch into this mark, it's gone here, so we will go to keep fixing this mark here. So you just click here on this mark, and like you see now this color show for us, that's mean create a personalized content profile. It's on now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.